The afro hairstyle, which emerged in the 1960s during Black Natural Hair Pride, was a symbol of stance against hair prejudice. It was a well-needed craze at the time, with more black and brown people embracing their hair as it grows naturally. To wear your crown in afro means that you are putting pride in natural beauty, and becoming more mindful of your health, and what you put in your hair. Well, Jamaican singer Marcia Griffiths, and Bob Andy were no different. They wore bright fashion pieces, from stripes to C-pattern, bell-foot trousers, and winged chiffon dresses for Lady Marcia Griffiths, that complemented their well-groomed afro hair really well, thus sparking a not-so-new hair but fashion statement, among many eager-minded Jamaicans. It was seen as being proud of who you are and where you're from. For a long time before the natural hair become more talked about, the Jamaicans saw the afro hair as a spiritual significance that has significant energetic power. As the most elevated part of the body, it was believed to be the entry for God angels to reach the soul. But this afro-national hair was not a new thing for many black Jamaicans, because from the old religious to the blue-collar Jamaican workers, you would often see both men and women, well-dressed and fully groomed, while sporting very national hairstyles. It was not just a fashion statement for Jamaicans, but their identity worn with pride.